minus 60 seconds. Bearing work. T minus 30 seconds. Alpha transitions to autonomous mode. Alarms off. Normal stage 1 TVC motion. T minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
This one's called Summer Noise. It's holding NASA satellites. Check out this camera for this one. It's great. Definitely good camera. This light. We should get a full.
Is it coming from the ghost?
We should get a full jellyfish effect.
Is it coming from
Yeah.
the ghost?
Yeah. This one's called the Alpha 1 rocket. It's a private launch company, apparently. NASA hires them to bring their payload up to space.
I see no fires. Vehicle supersonic.
Supersonic, we should see it soon.
Max Q.
Max Q. I don't see it yet.
I'll see it.
Do you see it?
I don't.
We should see it right about now.
Do you see it?
Sure don't.
You can really see those exhaust gases expanding there.
There it is. I see it now.
Oh, I see it.
Visual confirmation of the thinning atmosphere as it pulls away from the planet.
Tell Emily, man.
Huh?
Tell Emily.
That's out?
Tell Emily to get her booty out here.
Hey Siri. Call Emily Howard.
Wow. Look at this. Look at this.
Look at that.
Oh, it's red, white, and blue.
Hey,
4th
Emma.
of July.
Stage separation.
I know, I don't want to.
Looks like a jellyfish.
Do you want to see the rocket?
Tell her it looks like a jellyfish. Look, it looks like a big giant jellyfish. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful.
There goes the first one.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Jellyfish.
Wow. It does look like a jellyfish.
Now's the time to go outside. and see
I know,
It
right?
looks like it looks like red, white, and blue, doesn't it?
Wow.
Looks like the rainbow.
Look it in the middle there. It looks like a little
I think it is.
spiral up there. It's hard to. My camera just does not pick it
It's
up.
the
Oh, yeah.
first stage.
Looks in person. Wow. That's pretty amazing.
That's pretty damn cool.
So this is called the Summer Noise.
So now we've gotten all the way through that fairing jettison, and we have a couple minutes until we get that second engine cut off. But the track's out there. Look at this.
Wow.
What a great view.
This
Yeah,
is
take me to a launch
fantastic.
It really is.
Yeah. That's really amazing.
Becomes
Yeah,
fun
so
if you know.
lightning will fire for a couple minutes, but we will see Seco, which is second engine cutoff at T plus 8 minutes and 10 seconds. So we've got just about 4 more minutes here. A lot of times we see the little ice sort of coming off. You see little pieces of ice and stuff like that. Remember, all this is chilled down, and ice does build up. I think it's little pieces of fog that it's taken with us. This looks like it's the forward-facing payload cam. It is, I believe. That is a payload right up front, I think.
This makes you well.
Excellent. But yeah, all that ice gets nominally either melted on the way through the atmosphere or shaken off during flight to where that added mass isn't any hit to stage 2. Makes good sense. It's something we see on a lot of launches. Yeah. Still tracking it down. I just love the colors on this shot. This really is one of the things, you draw a rocket as a kid, you have the pencil flame coming out of the bottom, right? And once you get up there, there's no atmosphere to push that flame back into that sort of pencil rocket exhaust shape. It just goes sort of straight out the sides there. It almost looks like one of those little comic book, kapow. Nice. It's kind of the shape it reminds me of. So still have it from the ground, and we've got video from the vehicle there. Coming up on T plus 6 minutes. And 6 minutes, 10 seconds. We've got about 2 minutes left in the burn of the Lightning engine. And I wish we could hear it. I'm telling you, microphone on the structure. Microphone on the structure. Pick up the vibrations. Yeah. You should butterfly. Why aren't you in the structure department? I am right now. I'm working with butterfly, so. Yep. They've still got it going down underneath. That's got to be one of the ground trackers out there in Vandenberg. Coming up on 7:10, 7 minutes and 10 seconds after liftoff. So about 1 minute left in the burn. Now, I don't know exactly how long we're going to have this link to the ground station with the live video. But we're going to continue showing it to you as long as we get here. There's those payloads again. Well on their way to space. Making it up on Seco.
Zico. Nominal orbit insertion.
I'm shaking a little bit.
There you go. Well, you heard right from the launch net, nominal orbit insertion. I do want to point out the video, we don't exactly time that video coming down, so I wouldn't look at the exact timing of the video versus the time we saw it come off. It does take a little bit of time for that video to get down from the rocket, go through the ground stations, make it all the way over to the video servers, then we get it encoded and we send it back out. So that exact timing, because, oh, look at that. That's cool. Is that the Terminator? The limb of the Earth there on the right-hand side? We had a little rotation there. What, you know something? There you go. All right, you saw it sort of freeze. No pun intended. I mean, it's not a pun; it's actually ice.
It does freeze.
The video feed freezing up there. It looks like we lost the link to the ground station, but you heard a couple different things before we got to that 36-minute coast phase. The biggest one was nominal orbit insertion call out on the launch net.
That is a good thing to hear.
All right. All right. So the important thing here is that the mission is not over. We are still coasting in this coast phase. We still have payload deployment coming up. We're going to stay live all the way through payload deployment and share as much of that with you can. Remember how the ground stations work. If we get the link back, we'll try to show it to you. If not, we might not have that visual to show you, but we will be standing by for the confirmation. And the other thing is just